When one door closes, a window opens.
Sturdy vehicles are made for extreme tests. The heavy grader had to cover 10 kilometers with a flat tire. These conditions are ridiculous. How can anyone possibly sleep with so much noise?
Bro, check the torque on this thing, bro. Holy shit. Told you. Bro, try that out. Try that.
Maybe put the phone down and be a good person.
That truck almost went on a sea voyage along with the container.
Luckily, no major damage. The car owner just lost some more money. Tire at the limit. Better to discard than to keep using. Tire at the limit. Better to discard than to keep using. Storing grains in a concrete mixer truck, now that's a genius idea.
In San Diego, a crane operator miscalculated the weight while lifting a felled tree, which almost led to a disaster.
First date ideas.
Look at this. Going hard. I know it.
Workout or a ticket, I choose the workout.
We're gonna pull the turkey out.
And ever since then, Uncle Jack hasn't been invited to Thanksgiving anymore.
We got a burnt turkey, guys!
All for the sake of art. Hope he learns from this one.
Equipment that's safe to hand over to an intern.
Sir, I think there's a problem with your lawnmower. How much does that new driver get paid?
Oh my God!
Blame the wind, not the guy without the tree cutting license.
What?
They said, is that good?
Is that good? What in the chicken foot fuck would make you think that's good?
Oh, bro, we got a squatted crane. A squatted crane?
No! God, please, no! No!
This lawn's perfect for a game of pool now.
Instructions: how to dismantle an 800-ton crane in record time.
Fate's decided to teach him a lesson. But he skipped it.
Ham, cheese, and wood chips. Now that's a winning combo.
Looks like he bit off a bit more than he could chew. Does this hack work on tile too?
As well. Okay. Mind your eyes.
Oh my God!
Which muscles does this exercise target?
Hey! Hey!
Go! 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 Go!
Go ahead, push it with your goddamn leg. Okay.
He tried that at least 5 or 6 times before this. A tough day at work for this dude. That elevator goes straight to heaven.
Give it a quick nudge. Just give the alarm box a nudge.
What, you doing? Oh my God!
Hello.
Don't. What have you done?
Nice.
Señores, lléguenle a la prima de Nike, Nika, miren.
I feel they might need some backup. Feels more and more like a derby.
His wife will never believe him.
Things have gone as badly as they possibly could.
Hello.
So, how do you charge for water then?
Hola, Carlos.
When gravity plays hide and seek, Idiot at work.
Hello.
What's that tree they're trying to take back?
Hola, Carlos.
Hey, boss. Yeah, we can't keep going on this job. It's starting to rain and thundering hard.
How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money. He's no good operator.
I'm curious how much it costs to clean this car.
Hold on to that ladder.
Guys, every single one of you.
It could even wash your face for you. Dude, you just lost our dinner? Nope.
While you might not want to learn from this guy, there's plenty to admire.
What do you think will happen here?
A tire blowout always happens when you least expect it.
A blast in the exhaust system of an alcohol-powered engine.
Well, now he's remodeling the living room windows too. It's not his fault.
That's it. Next time.
Rumor has it, he still hasn't gotten out. Why are you sitting on that, dude?
We finally found a video from the apartment of your neighbor above. Their employer must be quite the villain.
Damn, where's the rest of my food?
Quite weird waiters they have here.
Oh boy.
The important thing is to make her laugh. That was the best day of his life.
Nou, we zijn even live voor de post te halen met bingo. Ja, je heeft een trailer die de krak even achter mij kukkelen. Ik kom krak even nadenken. Dan zal ik even zeggen wat nummer het is. Nummer 30.
Great team.
It's not just a blow to the fence, but to the career as well.
Why didn't she close the lid? That's an expensive trip to the dentist.
You can't stop like that. Go, man. You cannot stop like that, dude.
Superhero stopped by the police station today to help catch some crooks.
Ha 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 ha!
This manager's new hire request is really weird.
You don't want to get distracted when a truck like this is ahead of you. And here's why.
1, 2, 3. No.
Teamwork.
I admire the work these guys are doing.
We're in.
How people worked before deadlines were invented.
This guy is living his best life. This guy must be a professional handball player. Good idea, as long as you don't have pets on the roof. Clearly, this is a case of personal conflict.
Cocksucker!
You keep working like this. You deserve a raise. What a brilliant idea. She's been blessed. This is not unusual for that car. Nope. I wonder where he was trying to run while on the ladder. Free showers at the construction site. Optimal use of available materials? Nope.
Desain cocok banget. Yang paling penting nih 360 derajat. Desain cocok banget. Yang paling penting nih 360 derajat.
Not many people are as passionate about their job.
Dude, your wife isn't gonna like this. Better watch out, 24. Friendship should end here. Everything is so sharp.
Oh my God!
At least she worked hard.
Huh?
Lucky it didn't hit anyone.
Jak szczęśliwie to się stało.
Was that a cheap rescue service? You should really get a new brick vacuum. He won't miss that car repair bill. It seems like it's a mare and doesn't like women around.
Oh boy.
That's why you learn to nail it down tight.
Bruh.
The strength lies in total team agreement on how to get the job done. Was that guy surprised by that fall?
Huh?
Dude, why take the road when you can go down there? The perfect invention for lazy people. There are a lot of special people in construction. Your performance was great. When husbands go on a retreat. No worries, just wash it again from the start. Dude, where are your gloves and helmet? Graduated from technical college in 5 minutes. I'm praying you're okay, buddy.
Bye, guy.
Work smart, not hard. Is it really that hard, bro? workers are learning how to deal with rebellious machines using a ladder. Nothing is hard for this guy.
Having friends like that makes your life so much more fun.
Well, you got it.
¿Vamos a dar la vuelta, Pablo?
Say no to taxis. Buddy, washing a car doesn't need that much water. I guess today is still this guy's lucky day. I think she was really surprised. I think he's done this many times before. No worries, pal. Let's just start over. The truth has been revealed.
Informants defending nothing gets down the
Technical stupidity at its finest.
Chemicals. Beautiful.
100 points to the cameraman. What a wonderful person to help this elderly lady. They say he never missed the mark.
Wow. Let it go.
So, is this the driver's fault or the cameraman's? This guy's weak sauce.
The manufacturing technologies here are still far from perfect.
Wherever you are, I'll come pick you up.
They don't care. They're just running around. Oh my God!
Earth's gravity won. Wherever you are, I'll come pick you up. Oh, no. She needs more momentum to get over that hill.
Oh, there goes his door. Okay. Baby, that sand trap stopped me right in my tracks.
Thank goodness he ended up in the pool and not on the concrete. Who needs enemies with friends like these? when the gas pedal and the brake pedal switch places. A force that's about to threaten humanity. When he forgets to bring the air pump,
The plan was almost flawless.
How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? Nah, no good. Too much money.
På länge eller?
En stund ser du väl.
surely he still has to do it for a long time. I just saw someone paragliding past. The brothers worked hard.
Hello.
Is it a waste to use incense to repel mosquitoes like that, my friend?
What a...
Yeah, hi.
With every passing second, it
Oh boy.
Then put it in the skip.
Oh!
I suppose I should stop complaining about my awkward working conditions.
Who do you think will win?
A simple yet brilliant idea from the pros for quickly applying fertilizer.